When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. And high above or down below. When you're too in love to let it go. When you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you.
A lot of nice guys out there who are really bad relationships. It's not just Johnny Depp. I know everybody's oh gee, that poor Johnny Depp. Amber Heard slapped him around. Pirate of the Hero Bruising. There's a lot of guys there left a lot of nonsense. Damaged women who have bad guys. Women who have burned in high school. Women who thought they were in love with somebody, had a baby with them, and then ran away. You're there to pick up the pieces. You're like, hey honey, let's have a relationship. And she's got all this baggage. She won't trust you. She's self-destructive. She's got self-esteem issues, you know, you gotta put up with a lot of stuff. Because you want to fix her. You know what she actually needs? Needs a man like me. You know, it's like how I fixed you, huh, honey? You never fixed me. You know, I saw you there crying around in the gutter. I was like, you know what? I can fix it. You know what you never see? What's that? A really beautiful homeless girl. What do you mean? Because somebody's, you know, gonna fix that girl. If she's beautiful, she's not gonna wander the streets. There'll be some nice guy going, hey man, hey,
And ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Hey, Bonjour. You ready for this?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
This one's called Iris, and it's written by the Goo Goo Dolls. The Goo Goo Dolls. What a stupid name. And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. Sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight, and I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I want the world to see me, but I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Oh, that was beautiful. Okay, hey, bonjour, and welcome to Bonjour Nana Bonjour, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Bonjour, and over here, the lovely and talented
Get out of here.
Natasha. Ikadom bonjour, Winnie Musain.
Bonjour, everybody. Welcome back to the show. What?
All right, people. Now, no matter whether you're with other people or you're home alone, you're not really alone because all of us are in this together.
That's right, Paul.
And music can bring us that much closer together. And when we sing, we're definitely a group. So don't be shy. It's going to feel really good. Here's what we want you to do. We'll sing it for you. It goes like this. Your turn.
La 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 la.
We'll do it again. You go.
La 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 la. Baby, baby.
Big Bird, don't you remember we told you? Mr. Hooper died. He's dead.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Well, I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Big Bird, Mr. Hooper's not coming back.
Why not?
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
Ever?
No, never.
Why not?
Well, Big Bird, they're dead. They can't come back.
Isn't it always there in the back of your mind? Don't wanna waste any time. How can I waste any time if I've gotta die? Maybe one day, maybe when I'm old and gray, then it'll feel okay. One day we'll all fall down.
Who's gonna make my birds eat milkshakes and tell me
Someday
stories?
we'll all fall
I'm going to take care of the store. Mr. Hooper, he left. And I'll make you your milkshakes. We'll all tell you stories. We'll make sure you're okay.
Do we really need an authority to make us see eternity? There's no you or me. We're waves on a sea. We're leaves on a tree. It's not as it seems. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Yeah. One day we'll all fall down.
It'll never be the same around here without him.
someday we'll all
You know something?
fall down.
We can all be very happy that we had a chance to be with him. And to know him. And to love him a lot when he was here.
But I don't like. It makes me sad.
We all feel sad, Big Bird.
He's never coming back.
Never.
You know, I'm gonna miss you, Mr. Looper.
That's Hooper, Big Bird. Hooper.
Let me see.
Heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. biganika, gawapa biganika, gawapa biganika, indojaba, gawapa biganika, gawapa biganika, gawapa biganika, indojaba, gawapa biganika, gawapa biganika, indojaba. Gawaba bigani kog, nindunja ba. White Earth is where I'm from. Gawaba bigani kog, White Earth, or the place where there's an abundance of white clay. That's what they call White Earth. And this is our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie?
Oh, it's a
Should it be a
great
good
word.
Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. So welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and this is Natasha.
Way hey ya hey ya hey hey oh way ya hey ya hey oh way ya hey ya hey hey ya way oh hey oh hey ya way ya hey ya hey hey oh way ya hey ya hey oh way ya hey ya hey hey ya way oh hey ya hey ya way ya hey ya hey hey ya way ya hey ya hey oh way ya hey ya hey hey ya way ya hey ya
Oh, wow. I am Nana Boozhoo, and this is Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, what?